Hi, I have this LG Bluetooth headset. Actually, this is not working. There is some problem with the battery, I guess. So first we're going to open this up. Remove this cover. Select this, then you get the screw. Just take out the screw. So I have removed the headset. One side we have the motherboard. This is a vibrator, mic, and charging port. Okay. We have all these outputs, right, left, and key connections. The other side we have the key controls such as play, next, okay, and previous, next, that. And we have the battery here, which is gone actually. So I'm going to attach this into this home theater, or here I'm going to put it. So I've taken 6 buttons. Pause, volume up, volume down, next for the pairing, and a push button for the device to turn on and off. So this will be somewhere here that we're going to make. Yeah, let's see how we do that. Let's understand the key circuit. As you can see, this line is this one, is going to all 3 buttons commonly. So that's going to be the common, which has to be connected to the switches here. Actually, each of these push button switches have 4 legs. So these parallel legs are having connectivity, but the opposite legs will have the connectivity only one when we brush it. So using multimeter, having this here, we can check that. Anyway, that you most of you know. So basically this wire, let it focus. But, this wire, which has to be connected as a common thing for all these switches, so that then it can be assigned for each of its function. So I've done soldering all the 6 buttons. Okay, so they are there. Now let me do the circuit. We have to take we can take one wire from this, like this, to have connection to all the buttons. And I have connected to this line, and first button pause play, second forward, backward, volume up, down, as I mentioned here, pause play, forward, backward, volume plus minus, and this is for call, and that's how we are going to connect. Already I have done this 1, 2 and 3 and 3 connections, but actually in the neck band left side we have pause play, next and forward, so that alone I have connected now. And right side, sorry, we have a phone call and volume up and down buttons. Okay, up and down buttons, these two will be connected through this, like, okay, let me show you clearly. As you can see, right, left over here, and we have battery connections that I have taken separately. This wire, which will be connected to the volume IC, power IC, and what we are going to do now is we're gonna remove already we have two wires here. Okay, so to get this connection I need to peel off this layer. Let me try to take, so I have taken it out. Now these are just the buttons which we found in cell phone, old model cell phones. So if we get output from this, which can be connected to this, will make all the connections to come here. So this is the aux input. So now I'm going to check the connectivity. Multimeter activity. Okay. I need to connect this properly and check, and that's how we do. So you can hear the noise from multimeter checking the connectivity. So I think this pin is not touching properly inside. Anyways, okay, this is what we do. Bluetooth module here, and through the we get the aux cable, and actually the audio output connected to the aux pin. Okay, and we have the battery connection which will be going to the IC that I will show you later, and this thing will be coming here like this. Yeah. Aux audio input to the aux cable, everything is done. Now we have to give this is power connection for the Bluetooth battery connection that we have to connect here. So actually we have a USB board, right? So that actually this transistor will give power to the USB board. So this transistor, you can see these three pins. This is input, plus, minus, and this is going to be the ground. And I got the similar transistor. Transistors should always have an heatsink. So this transistor I made it heatsink. So if you can see the number carefully. Can you see? Yeah, 7805 CV means this will work with 7 to 8 volts, and the output is going to be 5 volt. So input plus minus, and this is going to be output. 7 volt you give input, 5 volt will be the output. That's what is happening here. So let's check that. So let me take the multimeter, keep it at that value, and now I'm going to plug in the home theater. What? Let us check the voltage. It is showing 0.21. Okay, most probably the device is off. So five volt. This is output. This is okay. Something is not clear. Okay, a 7 volt is coming in. Okay, 7 volt is coming in, and it is giving the output of 5 volt. So this is plus, this minus. To check it like this, yes, 11 volt is coming. So we have the transistor, as I said. This will be connected here, plus and minus, and that output again will be connected to the Bluetooth module. Okay, the Bluetooth power port is there now. It will get connected like this. Okay, it will be connected like this. This is how the circuit goes. Okay, ground output, the ground input. Okay, the device is on actually, but it is not giving some output properly because two mistakes that I have made. One is I have connected. See, I can remove this and show you. This is not functioning anyway. Battery connection only I have taken, so it is working, but the amplifier is not able to take because battery connection, right? So there is a clash, something is wrong. So I'm going to remove this out, and I will remove this. And what we can do is, this also will create kind of key sound in Bluetooth aided amplifiers. To avoid that, we can use another charger itself, a proper mobile charger, so that will not cause this problem. Yeah, so we are going to do that now. So now to the Bluetooth power battery connection, I'm going to connect a mobile charger. So this will avoid unnecessary hissing sound from the Bluetooth device, and we get a pure voice out. And that will be connected here. AC is coming in. So here we have fuse. I'm going to take one connection from there and one from this. So we'll be able to do that. So you see the AC, and there DC is coming to the Bluetooth device, and that is also on. Okay, turn this on.
Bluetooth mode.
Heard that? Okay.
Yes.
That's how it goes. I'm going to pack this up. So now let's see. I'm turning on the home theater. Now it is NAX. Okay, you can change USB FM and again NAX. So this is Bluetooth power button. And so I just
Power on.
It's getting turned on.
Bluetooth mode.
So now it is in Bluetooth mode. Here I have another phone. See, it is appearing. LG.
Connected.
Connected. It says connected. And we can have music. So it will work. Pause, play, previous, next. Okay, volume up, down, and call button.
Incoming call. Connected 9163883.
The final look is something like this. Okay, the Bluetooth module here, and you have all the control panels, power button. Okay, Thank you for watching.